Hey there! What if I told you that you could create a professional website in under 60 seconds without writing a single line of code? And even better, you can start making money from it right away. In this video, I'll show you an insane AI tool that builds entire websites with one click and how you can turn that into real income online. Let's get started. This is Durable.co,
a free OWL website builder that creates full websites based on just one short description.
For example, I'll type, here in this place I will write, a coffee shop website with online orders. Then we click on Generate Website.
Here we will choose the location where your project is located.
Here we will write the name of your company or the name of your personal project. The site will start preparing your site. As you can see, the site is ready. If you like it, click here and it will take you to the monthly subscription portal where you can subscribe for $12 per month and create many websites for a whole month. Target small business owners, service providers, teachers, and trainers. Create a website for them in a minute and sell it to them for $50 to $200 per website. In the next video, I will show you the site where you can sell these sites at great prices. Don't forget to press the like button, subscribe, and activate the bell to receive all the new content. See you in the next video.